to Southern Cooking. Today, I'm going to do tuna salad. We've got a little get together tonight at church and stuff, and so I'm going to do some tuna salad, so I thought I'd do a video. I'm going to start out with 4 cans of tuna, and I always use the kind in water, not oil. It's better for you. That's what you tell us, so. And I always drain. I've already got these drained, so I always drain the water out of them. If you don't, it'll be too soggy. Okay, it's 4 cans of tuna, and I tried to chop mine up just a little if there's some pretty good clumps in it. Okay, now I'm going to add, this is celery seed, and I'm going to add right at probably about 1/2 of a teaspoon of celery seed. And then I've got some onion here that I've already got it where it's diced, and I'm just putting a little bit of onion in it. If you put too much in tuna salad, it just sort of overwhelms it. So about three rings of diced onion. Add you a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Okay, and then, now I've said it several times before, I'm not a big mustard person, but I like a little bit in my tuna salad. Probably about 1/2 of a teaspoon. And then I always buy the sweet pickle relish. Now a lot of people like dill pickle relish, and that's fine. You just do your preference, but I prefer sweet. I'm just using a regular teaspoon. And I try to drain as much of that juice out of it as I can. About 8 just regular household teaspoons. Mix that up. Now I've got 8 boiled eggs, 7 or 8 boiled eggs here, and I'm going to put it in my tuna salad. What I usually try to do, I try to make 2 boiled eggs, or 3 boiled eggs per can of tuna. And I'm just going to try to just dice them up as I cut them. This is a real good thing if you're just getting together for just a little gathering or something there, and you just want some finger foods. Tuna salad is a real good thing to have. And you can do chicken the same exact way as this. Just instead of the tuna, just use canned chicken. Now my boys likes ham salad, and I'll do my ham salad about the same way. I'll just put it in a food processor if we've got leftover ham or something. If we baked a ham and put it in the food processor and dice it up and make ham salad, and I'll do it the same exact way. If you don't like it as eggy, you can always not put as many in it. But I like mine sort of eggy. was the last egg. It's something there that's quick to make. It don't take a big lot of time. I always run my knife through to just chop up my eggs just a little bit finer. And if you've got a hand chopper, you can even use that too. Okay, now I'm going to add mayonnaise. Now, I like the taste of mayonnaise, so, you know, I might put more in it than what you would want in it. And I ain't measuring nothing out now. I'm just going by what I like. So, we'll start out with probably 1/4 of a cup here. As you can see, that's just not enough. Because you want it good and well mixed. So altogether, that's probably about 3/4 of a cup. A little more, a little less. And that's all there are to it. You can just slice it, put that on sliced bread, and I remember my mommy just serving it as just a dish along with supper sometimes when I was a child. But you can put it on sliced bread and do it for baby showers, wedding showers, just any little get together, you're just doing finger foods. But that's all they are to it. We thank you all, and God bless. And remember to like and subscribe.